What if I told you that just 59 seconds a day could completely change your life? No waiting months or years. You can start seeing results today. Sounds too good to be true. It's not. This is backed by science. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this trick to improve your focus, build good habits, and transform your life. Ever notice how it's easy to start something but hard to keep going? That's because your brain hates long, complicated tasks. Research shows that after 90 seconds of focus, most people's attention starts to fade. But keeping it under 59 seconds, that's the sweet spot. When a task is this short, your brain doesn't resist. No overthinking, no procrastination, just quick action that builds momentum. These days, we're overwhelmed with information. Social media, news, emails. Our brains are overloaded. Studies show that the average person consumes 34 GB of information every day. That's like reading 174 newspapers from start to finish. With all this mental clutter, it's no surprise that we feel exhausted and stuck. Our brains don't want to add more things to do. This is why the 59-second rule is so powerful. Instead of trying to do everything, you focus on one small action for less than a minute. For example, take 3 deep breaths to reset your mind. Drink a full glass of water with intention. Write down one idea in a notebook. Stretch your shoulders or do 5 push-ups. The action itself isn't the point. It's about consistency and momentum. Ever feel like you either have to do something perfectly or not do it at all? That's a huge reason why most people fail. Studies show that 92% of people give up on their goals because they try to change too much at once. Life gets busy, and if we can't do something perfectly, we often don't do it at all. Instead of aiming for big, overwhelming goals, start with just 59 seconds. A study from the University of London found that people who start with tiny habits are 71% more likely to stick with them long term. Why? Because small changes feel effortless, and once you start, it's easier to keep going. Think about it. You definitely have 59 seconds, right? If you can spare that much time, you can change your life. Here's the secret. Your brain doesn't fight tiny tasks. When something takes only 59 seconds, your brain doesn't resist. It just does it. And each time you complete a small task, your brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Over time, these tiny wins retrain your brain to believe that success is easy, which makes it even easier to stick with new habits. After just 21 days of consistent micro-actions, your brain starts forming new habits automatically. And once that happens, something magical occurs. The person who starts with 59 seconds of journaling may find themselves writing for 5 minutes a day. The person who does 3 push-ups might be doing 15 without even realizing it. This is called the compound effect. Small actions adding up to huge results over time. This rule works for everyone, whether you're a busy parent, a stressed-out student, or someone juggling multiple jobs. Everyone has 59 seconds. The question isn't, do I have time? It's, am I willing to start so small that success becomes inevitable? Now here's my challenge for you. Try this for just one day. Set a timer for 59 seconds and start something small you've been putting off. Then, tell me in the comments, what's one habit you'll try for 59 seconds today? I personally read every comment. Want more insights like this? Hit like and subscribe for powerful mind hacks and success principles. Remember, big transformations don't start with big changes. They start with 59 seconds. So why not start right now?